Welcome back to today's video, and on today's video I'm going to be trying a new Japanese clay. I'll let you guys know how it comes out at the end of this video. Here's the product I got after using my mixer for maybe about 10 minutes. It's a bit dry and stiff, so I decided to go back in with some more glue, and yeah, so I'll show you that at the end. Here's the final product, and this is my personal slime. I will not be selling this exact slime, which is why I took my gloves off. It's super soft and stretchy, and I'm obsessed. I can't wait to make some butter slimes with this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment something down below. And check out my links in my description if you want to see more slime videos or if you want to shop my slime. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.